Hey guys, if you're looking for an amazing idea to create your YouTube channel that gets millions of views, so in today's video I'm gonna show you a beautiful strategy that doesn't cost you a dime. So follow me in this video. First of all, just head over to YouTube, and for sure here you can, if you type something like fitness workouts, here you can find many of these YouTube channels that provide you tips and tricks for fitness, for HIIT workouts, how to lose weight using these 3D animation as you observe. And as you see here, these videos gets a lot of different views, and the main coach of these videos, this 3D animation character. It could be female or male as you like. So how you can do these such beautiful videos to make your own YouTube channel for fitness, for yoga, for kids activities as you observe. So stick with me step by step. And the first step here, how we can get this amazing animation character. So here you can head over to ChatGPT to make it imagine a beautiful coach to do these workouts. And for sure I will leave this prompt down below in the description box, like this one, a realistic 3D female character standing in a confident pose, and so on and so forth. And for sure if you want to make a male version, it's up to you. Then it's time to make your own image using AI image generators, and for sure there are a lot of different out there, like this one, Rev AI. Here I just insert this amazing prompt here, and it gives me this amazing coach. And the best part here in this amazing revai.org is completely for free and unlimited usage, even no sign up. Just insert your prompt and select your aspect ratio from this option, and verify you are human and generate this image. Or if you want to generate a male version of your coach, it could be like this one as you observe. As I said earlier, I will leave both prompts down below in the description box. So for sure you can use any AI image generators out there, like ReviAI, Ideogram, Leonardo, Picleomin, and so on, to get this stunning coach or this animation character. And the step number 2, you can get images of these avatars doing your workouts. It could be push-ups, jumping ropes, and so on. So you can head over to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt to create an image where this model doing this push-ups or anything else you like. Then you can copy this prompt and go to create these images and this avatar doing this exercise as if it's captured in the middle of this exercise. Like this one, for example, in Recraft.ai, this amazing model doing push-ups and so on and so forth, as you see. Or here in Rev, this push-up as well. So make sure that you can get this prompt from ChatGPT. This model does this exact workout. Perfect. And now it's time now how we can breathe life to these images to make this animation or to convert this image to video. For sure, you can head over to these websites to convert your image to video using AI, such as pixverse.ai. It's an amazing website. Here you can actually convert your image like that, and insert here this prompt that describes the movement or this animation. As you see, here you can find this avatar doing this exercise, or this one as for doing squats and so on, an amazing movement from pixverse.ai. Perfect. Or you can use different websites out there like degen.ai. It's a completely free website that gives you free credits to convert your image to video, and for sure the result is incredible. So here you can head over to this option, create, and upload here your image of your character doing your exercise. Then insert here this description of your movement and click over this button, generate your video. Question comes up, how to know all these workouts or this yoga poses and so on included in this video. Simply, you can head over to ChatGPT and ask for getting a whole script of your video regarding your topic, like this one. hit workout animation script. It gives you this entire script with voiceover, visuals, and for sure the title of these exercise number 1, jumping jacks, squats, mountain climbers, and so on and so forth, as you see. So as earlier, you can create your images, this avatar doing all these workouts, and then convert all these images to videos in Pixelverse, Degen, Runway Mill, and so on and so forth. And for sure, I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment a complete list of the best free websites to convert your image to video. So now it's time to get your voiceover of your video. So you can move on to the second step to go to 11 Labs to sign up for free. And here you select one of these beautiful voice actors, like the voice of your coach. So I will select something like as for female, for example, or as male, like Ethan, Freya. So here you can insert your voiceover from ChatGPT, like this one. As you see, is the first let's warm up and jog in place and so on. So you can copy this entire sentence and insert in 11 Labs to get your voiceover of this introduction and so on. And here I just tried to generate your voiceover for squat. So I just listen, regenerate your speech.
Push your hips back, knees behind toes, chest up. Feel the...
As you see, an amazing, suitable voiceover for this kind of these videos. So you can download all these voiceovers as for this script from ChatGPT. And now it's time to gather all these video clips and voiceovers in any editing software like Filmora, DaVinci, CapCut, and so on. And here the good thing left. You've got to insert your timer that includes 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and so on. So you can get this timer from different premium websites as you like, from like Victizi, VDZ, and so on. Or you can make your own on canva.com. So you can head over to Canva template section and type your timer, and you can find thousands of these templates done for you of these timers as you see. So you can pick some of them as you like this template, for example. It could be like this one, just 10 seconds. So you can edit as you like to make it up to 30-40 seconds as you like. How you can do that, Riemann? Just you can go to the first page here and just you can click over duplicate page and go back to the first page, and here you just edit this one to make it 30-12 as you like. Perfect. So now you can make your own timer, start from 12 or this template as well. Okay, so you can get started from here, 10, 9, 8, and so on and so forth to make your amazing, stunning, and attractive timer to your video. And here you've got to pick a sound effect of this timer. So you can go to pixabay.com, or you can head over to the sound effects section, the back section on Pixabay that contains millions of these sound effects for free for commercial use. And then search for timer countdown, and you can find a blend of these sound effects like this one or this, and so on and so forth. And it's time to gather all these elements on your editing software to make your own video just in few minutes, and for sure completely for free. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.